So I have my Craftsman planer and it's starting to give me dull blades, and looks like I've got some nicks on the blades. I don't know if you can tell here, but I'm not getting smooth finishes anymore. So I know I have some nicks in the blades. So I'm going to show you how to change the blades real quick. The blades are actually double sided, so if you have your original blades, we can flip them once. After that, we got to go buy another set. But I'm going to show you how easy. It's real easy. Let's go right to work. Craftsman gives you the tool. It's placed right on the side, and it's pretty easy. First, you got to take off the sides here. Very simple 2-set screws that you just unscrew, and this will expose your blade. Comes right off. Don't lose the screws. You can see the blade is exposed here, and you could see the chips and the crummy marks on the blade. That needs to be changed. Very simple with the tool. The tool is a star tool, so they give it to you, and what you have is you have 2, 4, 6 screws that you have to unscrew. Now you got to be careful. The end 2 screws have springs in that you have to catch, so it's really a matter of twisting them off. Taking the screws out, set them down, let them set there, and let's just take the rest off. Now, as we talked about, as we loosen up those last ones, the 2 springs actually pop this top off. And as you can see, the springs fit right in the hole there. Very carefully, do not lose these. Be very careful with them. And then you can see the blade. The blade is right here. And as you can see, very thin, but you can see how bad it is. You can see how bad it is. Let me see if we get it in focus here. But as we turn it around, we can see it's all sharp. So we'll put the blade back, and the blade fits right on these 2 tits here. You have the 2 holes, so it'll pop right in there. Be careful, the blade is razor sharp. So we'll fit the blade right back in the holes. We'll take our brace again, taking the screws, and we're going to place them in that hole. It kind of gives this, once you put the springs in, this gives it a little bit of a pop. But place them in that hole. Okay. Look at that. And that spring popped off of me. So let's do it again. That spring just popped off of me. Don't like that. Line up the screw and the blade. And on this guide, you do have 2 marks where those 2 stubs were hitting. So then we can start putting in these center ones, which will put them in hand tight, and then we'll tighten them up. But basically, once we're in, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to flip it, do the exact same thing on the other side, and you will be done. Take our tool, tighten it up. Now you don't have to blast it too tight, because you're going to change this again, but you want to get a good tight bite. Okay, rotate it. Careful, that blade is sharp, but you can rotate this and then start the second blade. Do the same thing and you're ready to go. Alright, very quickly, I'm just going to give it a quick test. Looks good. Now I'm going to put our plate back on, our protective plate. Putting the thumb screws back on, very simple. Then if you want to, you could put the shield back on, but let's run a quick test. All right, we're going to set our distance, turn it on, let's test it. Oh, now that is baby smooth. That is baby smooth, baby sharp. So we did it. How simple was that? It took us less than 10-15 minutes. Change your blades. Now, once these blades are dead, then I got to go buy new blades, and you can pick them up at Lowe's, same place we bought the thing, and then throw these out and start over again. But I hope this helped. I hope you're back in the shop. Let's go plane some stuff and let's go make some wood. Let's go make some sawdust. I'm Ken Deininger. Thanks for watching. Just another backyard project.